I just can't believe more people don't do this. It is so easy to just generate sales on your cell phone real quick. Now, if you've watched this channel for a while, I think most of what you do on eBay should be done on a computer, not using your cell phone. For instance, creating listings, handling customer business, sales, and so forth. I think your cell phone is good for taking pictures. It's good for checking things when you're out. I don't think it's great for most things where the least little mistake could cause you a problem. You could leave off a decimal point. It's real easy on a cell phone, even if you have a larger cell phone screen. It's real easy to kind of mess up some things, such as using your cell phone to create listings from scratch and finishing them as well. It's fine to start them on your cell phone. You owe it to yourself to make sure that you don't get negative feedback and returns because you made an unexpected typo, you chose the wrong item specific. That's all very easy to do on a cell phone. But this is one thing that's real easy to do on a cell phone that works in your favor. Go to your eBay app on your phone and go to the selling page. By the way, you have to have a store to be able to do this. So you have to subscribe to an eBay store because eBay does not give you many promotional tools if you don't subscribe to a store. Now, there are a lot of other benefits to a store, but the promotional tools are a huge benefit. So assuming you've got some sort of a store level on your eBay account, go to your selling screen and then click on active. See that active in the upper left-hand corner? Click on active and it's going to show you all of your active listings, okay? Now then click the refine button. That's the button up here to the right, refine. And I want you to sort by oldest listings. Now I already did this once before I started this video, so my oldest listings is already checked. You can see the checkbox there. So I'm going to then click the bottom button, show results. What it did was order my inventory by the oldest first, by the items that I listed first. And you'll see a Mr. Peanut hat. That's a vintage mid-century modern bowl for sharing popcorn or something. You see this little three dots to the right. Mr. Peanut with his blue hat. And then you have the title, partial title, Mr. Peanut hat face. To the right of that are three dots. You click those three dots. And by the way, this goes really fast. You can do this in maybe 2 seconds normally. So press the three dots and choose the second from the bottom option, add to create sale event. So you're going to put this Mr. Peanut or whatever your item is on sale right now, and it's really fast and easy. So I'm going to choose add to create sell event, and then I'm going to create a new one. I've already got one sell event going 23% off. I'm going to create new event. In the upper right-hand corner, create new event. And I want Mr. Peanut to sell for 17% off. It's just going to be on sale. It's going to start now, and it's going to go through a month from now, as of the time I'm recording this. June 3rd, 2025. It defaults for a month. That's fine. And then the title, but title doesn't really matter, but it allows you one more chance to make sure you've got the percentage right. 17% off ends June 3rd. If you review the sell event, click the blue button, and it looks fine. Again, 17% off June 3rd, one listing in this event. There's one listing so far. I just created a new sell event, 17% off ends June 3rd, and I'm going to now put Mr. Peanut in this cell, put him on sale by pressing the Create Sell Event at the bottom of the screen. Boom. Nice work. Your event's live. Got it. Good. Now I'm going to go to the next one. Now remember, I originally sorted this oldest listed first. So these items have been listed for a while. Like this bunny figurine's been listed. I listed this over a year ago. You can see in the fine print. 392 days ago. I want to add the bunny rabbit to that 17% off sale event that I just created real fast on my cell phone. So I'm going to press the three buttons to the right. That's called a hamburger menu because I guess it's stacked like two buns and a hamburger in the middle. So press the three buttons, click add to or create sell event. I'm going to add to an event. Which one? The one that's defaulted. It defaults to the last one I used. This is why you can do this about every 2 seconds per item. 17% off. Yeah, that's the sell event. Review the sell event. Yes. 17% off. I'm adding this bunny to this sell event. Add to the sell event. Got it? Now I'm going to do the next one and show you how fast it can go without talking. I'll talk a little bit. So you go down. Here's a Starbucks pickup. Press three buttons. Add to sell event. 17% off. Add to sell event. Got it. Now Starbucks was just done. That was what, 2.5, 3 seconds it took? And I was even slower at that because I talked a little bit because, I just can't seem to shut up. That's how you can go by and take your oldest items and put them all on sale. 17%. I like 21, 23% off actually better, but I wanted to create a new one and I just had the 23 already. Doesn't matter. But you can just go down and take the 10 oldest items that are listed and put them on sale real fast on your cell phone. This actually is easier than doing it on a computer. That's rare. Usually the computer's a lot easier to do stuff like this, but you're not creating a fancy sale. It's just 1 month, certain percentage off, and these items will be shown with that. I'm going to show you one in a minute and show you what eBay shows our potential buyers. This is the way to get your 10 oldest items sold much faster. Get them out of the way. Something's wrong. They've been listed for a long time and they haven't sold. What's wrong? Well, either no one wants it, maybe you didn't do your comps right, or the price is too high, which is probably the reason. This puts them on sale. eBay boosts sell items in the search algorithm because eBay likes it when you put things on sale, because eBay likes it when you sell things, because eBay makes more money when we make more money. I would think another way to do this would be click your refine button. So instead of looking at the oldest items listed, go to refine and click the ones with the most views. Now, see the most views is checkmarked. When I click show results, it's going to show me all of the items with the highest views. There's a Bibles sell very well, especially red letter leather Bibles. I've told you this before. This one's just a little bit too high. I should put it on sale. Here's a Dresden figure for $298. It's almost to a selling price, but probably my buyers would like to see that down to about $260 or so. So I should put that on sale. But what I did, remember, I went to refine and clicked most views. I want to see the items that people have looked at the most in my 1,300 items of this. I have several selling accounts, but this is one of them. 1,300 or so items, 1,500 in this account. I wanted to see the ones people have looked at the most, so I ranked them by going refine and most views, show results, and I want to put those items, those top items on sale. There are a lot of people looking at them. They're just not clicking to buy. Why is that? Probably my price is too high. Almost for sure. That's another great strategy. Maybe every week you'll put your 10 oldest items on sale and put your 10 most viewed items on sale by using your cell phone. And once you do this once or twice, you'll get really fast at it. So this is the way that you can sell items really fast on your cell phone. You're just out and about, you're at lunch or something. I always like to play a game, and that is I'll sit down for lunch and I'll try to make sure something sells before I leave so that it pays for my lunch. When I sit down anywhere that I'm out for lunch, I will the first thing bring out my phone and send all the offers that I can send on my phone. I don't like to send offers on a phone, but that's all I have at the restaurant. So I'll send offers to everyone that's available, and I will also put things on sale, just as I've shown you. Maybe the top 3 items that have the most views and maybe the top 3 oldest items. I'll just put those 3 on sale if I haven't already. And I often will get a sale before leaving that table, and it pays for my lunch. And I probably wouldn't have gotten the sale had I not nudged eBay a little bit. This is fun. It's nice to have the extra money. It gets rid of older items. It's like the Bitcoin of all eBay strategies. It's the best.